Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will walk you through the process of defining multi-level bills of materials (BOM) in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Items plus Process Raw Materials Specs grid mode. Select the item for which you want to define the raw material BOM, then click on Refresh. The bill of materials for this item has already been defined. For defining a multi-level bill of materials, you need to enable this option by ticking the Multi-BOM checkbox. You can enable the Multi-BOM option by navigating to Configuration and applying the settings as defined here. This option is used when a product requires multiple internal production stages, where semi-finished components need separate or independent production orders. For example, if producing item A requires the creation of item B and item C, each with its own independent production process, the use of a multi-BOM becomes essential. Now, let's add one more process-wise BOM for a specific production stage. Select the process name, and the related process group will be reflected automatically. Then, choose the body part and the corresponding raw material item required for that process. The Sizes column allows you to specify the raw material quantity required for each individual size, ensuring accurate size-wise material consumption planning. Plan cost per unit represents the standard or estimated cost of the raw material. Actual cost per unit and actual amount used are recorded during production to capture real-time consumption and costs, facilitating accurate variance analysis. Now save the data. The left panel tree structure in the interface provides a clear and organized view of the entire multi-level bill of materials. You can also define semi-finished components with their own BOMs and link them to the finished product's master BOM to ensure controlled production planning. Please note, while creating semi-finished goods BOM, it is mandatory to enable the multi-BOM option. If this option is not selected, the system will not generate separate job orders for these semi-finished items in subsequent production processes. The shortcut keys displayed at the bottom of the screen are provided to simplify and speed up the process of defining or editing the bill of materials. F2 is used to update the quantity for the selected region. Delete key is used to delete the quantity from the selected region. F5 is used to copy raw material details. F3 is used to update the quantity from the expression. And F6 is used to import raw material specifications from an external file. This is how you can define a multi-level bill of materials by specifying raw material details, managing size-wise quantities, and using the available shortcuts to quickly update, copy, calculate, delete, or import BOM information efficiently.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.